weather alert.
Breaking news! There is a blizzard outside right now. For those of you who don't know what a blizzard is a long-lasting snowstorm with very strong winds and intense snowfall. Now to Alex and Cash for our daily check-in.
It's cold out here. Very cold. Whatever you do, just stay outside. And if you put your layers on, but if you, at all costs, do not go outside. It is really cold. Now back to Kamilah and Nadia in the studios. Actually, Cash has something to say.
This scene will probably last for a day, possibly. It's gonna be here though, because as you can see, it's probably gonna last us for about maybe a week almost. So I get dug in, and for future reference, for those of you that are stuck outside, you can always predict when it's winds over 35 miles per hour, visibility of less than a quarter mile, yeah. So at my estimate, I think this 3 days. Back to you,
Nadia, now you're in. Wait, no. Shh, you can still hear me. Okay, you stay. Now, some blizzard safety. So make sure you always check the forecast in your weather report. When driving, do not travel in the winter unless it is absolutely necessary. Just warmly and make sure that your car is in good running condition and has a full tank of gas. Nadia?
Okay, so there are some things you need to make sure you have in your blizzard safety kit. Cannulars for your tires, just in case if you're driving on the road. A 3 days water supply, or enough water for everyone. Extra warm clothes, hats, scarves, and gloves. Non-perishable snacks that you won't have to fix, or unless you use coil or wood, so you can make a fire to keep yourself warm. Make sure you have a flashlight along with extra batteries. Make sure if you're overnight, and a phone with a charge with a car charger if you're able to, and make sure you have a first aid kit and a battery-powered radio so you can signal anywhere.
Some more blizzard safety is when you're outdoors, make sure you dress in several layers because you are going to be freezing cold. Make sure you wear, like Nadia said, hats, coats, scarves, and gloves because gloves are way warmer than nothing at all. But also instead of gloves, you could wear mittens because mittens are a lot warmer than gloves. So at home, make sure you stop.
And that's our news.